Hello folks, we're having a busy weekend. Yesterday my wife and I went to look at a new car for her. I picked up new header gaskets for Bugsy, so I'll need to install them at some point. I also got a mystery letter from Glenn Miller. I think it's a sticker, so that would be nice to see. What else was it I'm doing this weekend? Oh yeah, picking up a new project tomorrow. Yes, you heard me right, new project tomorrow, but I'll talk about that in a minute. First of all, wife's new car, hopefully. We are going to look at an electric Mini and also compare it to a Mini JCW, John Cooper Works, supposedly the fastest petrol powered Mini for the track, for the street, bells and whistles, you name it. So it's going to be kind of a direct comparison. The video for that will be on tonight for anyone that's interested. If not, let's get on to the meat and gravy. First of all, don't panic. Bugsy is not going anywhere. However, if I continually pour money into Bugsy, then I will never have enough money for another project. You know how it works. I would love to get a power steering conversion for Bugsy, but it's going to work out to be $800 to $1,000. That's a lot of money. That could easily go into another project, whether to buy a project or to buy parts for another project. Meanwhile, I can just keep a little bit of squirrel money aside and gradually build up. Bugsy drives perfectly fine. Steering's a bit stiff. The bodywork's obviously needing a wee bit of work. If I want to do paint, we're talking more thousands to get paint on them. So I want something else. So here we are. You will find out what it is on Sunday evening. Yeah, tomorrow night. This is Saturday, picking it up tomorrow. I'll do a little pickup video, you'll see what it is. I'm not really going to tell you what it is right now. Let's think up some clues, okay? Okay, it is possibly rear wheel drive, possibly front, possibly four wheel drive. I hope that helps. It may or may not have a roof. It may or may not. No, actually, here's a big clue. It will not have back seats. Huge clue, I know. What else? It will probably be a gasoline engine. Probably. Don't think I'm going electric. And it's going to have headlights and four wheels. There you go. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think it is. It's a big project. Okay, you'll find that out tomorrow, and I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, here's a final clue. I've actually wanted this project for a very long time, even before I came to Canada. There you go. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. So today's really just an update to tease you and get you all frustrated. But as I say, watch the Mini electric review comparison. You might find it interesting even if you have no interest in electric cars because you're a die-hard hot rod or petrol head. It was eye-opening, shall we say. So that will be uploaded just after this, so you won't have to wait for long. And then make sure you tune in tomorrow night. So excited, I can't wait. I do need to clear some space in the garage again, because I think for now Bugsy's possibly going to have to sit outside. I don't know yet. Don't know. We'll find out. Right, before I go, let's open this little letter from Glenn Miller. I've already opened it, I'm just faking the surprise. So we have Redneck Coachworks, and I still haven't worked out where I'm going to put all these stickers. I need to peel that off, so you're not going to get to see it till I apply. I need to make a big board for all my hot rod and YouTube friends. It's a very nice sticker. I need to get new ones. And meanwhile, I need to fix my exhaust header again. I'm worried that I've got a leak like a crack in my headers, but I got new gaskets. I got 2 sets of gaskets. I'll just take the whole headers off, thoroughly check them. If there's anything needing welded up, I'll do that, put them back on, and Bugsy should be quiet again. Well, quiet is a relative term. Right folks, I need to get at it. I've got too much to do today to be filming myself babbling on. So take care, watch the mini video, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Bye.